The hookup culture. Is it just hot sex with cold emotions, or is there more to it? What is this new hookup culture, and why is it catching up so fast? Folks, this is Sahila once again with another topic that is raw, sensible, and uninhibited. Hookup culture. The new generation in India is very current in today's times, from the latest apps on the phone to the new sex culture, which is hookups. Bollywood movies like Student of the Year, Rabda, Man Marziya, and Luka Chupi are becoming popular because of the way it portrays these modern relationships. Dating and having a boyfriend or girlfriend or any form of committed relationship for that matter has now become outdated. Even being in a live-in relationship can be like seeing too much of each other, and couples feel they need to see other men or women just to get a fresh start. With the advent of modern dating apps like Tinder, all you need to do is swipe right, and you can be with your dream date within a matter of few minutes. The Tinder app is programmed in such a way that it shows only the people closest to your geographical location. So why are hookups so popular among the youth? Now here are some insight and explanation as explained by the youth of today. Number one, it gives me a good platform to try and practice sex before I can actually get into a serious relationship. Number two, I don't have to change myself to keep my relationship with my boyfriend or girlfriend, and hookups let me keep my identity. Number three, relationships are very complicated for me. I simply don't have that much time, and I want to focus on my career. And I like hookups because it has no drama. Number four, I don't like the idea of sleeping with the same person for the rest of my life, so hookups are the best. Number five, I'm just a fun-loving person, and having sex with a random person is also fun for me. Number six, for me, sex is just a matter of taking care of my body's needs. I eat when I'm hungry, so similarly, I have sex when I get the urge. Keeping it simple, bro. So, here are some other ways the hookup culture has helped solve the problems for the youth. The younger generation today are vehemently focused on their career and individual improvement, rather than spending time on relationships and breakups. Since they don't have to deal with the heartbreaks anymore, there is a decreased number of them who are getting addicted to alcohol or drugs. Also, hookups don't actually involve emotions, so one can sleep with a person even if they are not attracted to each other. A 19-year-old girl, Ananya, once told me, I slept with my stalker one time and then he stopped stalking me. Earlier, he would call me or text me at unusual hours or put sleazy comments on social media, which was causing a great deal of emotional turmoil for me. So I just called him to my terrace one night and we did it. He stopped bothering me after that. Another interesting observation is, for some reason, the newer generation considers oral sex as the safest option. It does not cause pregnancy, it doesn't make one lose his or her virginity, and also has less chances of transmitting sexually transmitted diseases. So, here are the questions I have for people who are into the hookup culture. How are you going to deal with serious issues that arise in marriage and real committed relationships that come later in life? Number two, if you escape falling in love now, will you be able to fall in love with someone else in future? Number three, if love is not the basis for your marriage in future, then what will be the basis when you start raising your kids? Well, only time will answer these questions, and until then, let us wait and watch how far this generation will go to continue a loveless relationship. Now, for the older generation and parents reading this, I'm sure you're expecting an answer from me as to whether this hookup culture is good or bad. In my opinion, the youth in this era are doing exactly what is expected of them in this time and age. Let's take for an example. If I was of marriage age 100 years ago living in India, I would be getting married to a boy chosen by my parents without even letting me see him before the wedding. But in reality, that's not how my marriage happened. I met my husband online and we were very comfortable with each other, even sexually. And we both are so glad our marriage happened that way. If the parents of today were born 100 years from now, they would be hooking up too. When everything is available online today, like your life partner, clothes, food, groceries, air tickets, etc., then why not a sexual partner? Sahila, dedicated to the youth and their ever-changing passions. If you like this video, please share your comments and suggestions. For more, check out author Sahila on Facebook and Instagram. Until next time, this is Sahila signing off. Bye.